1000 basic phrases, 10 minutes a day to train your ears, understand English in 1 month.
Where is the post office?
Where is the post office?
邮局在哪里？
Where is the post office?
Where is the post office?
What time does the post office open?
What time does the post office open?
邮局几点开门？
What time does the post office open?
What time does the post office open?
What time does it close?
What time does it close?
它几点关门？
What time does it close?
What time does it close?
I need to send a letter.
I need to send a letter.
我需要寄一封信。
I need to send a letter.
I need to send a letter.
I need to send a postcard.
I need to send a postcard.
我需要寄一张明信片。
I need to send a postcard.
I need to send a postcard.
I need to send a package.
I need to send a package.
我需要寄一个包裹。
I need to send a package.
I need to send a package.
I want to send this overseas.
I want to send this overseas.
我想把这个寄到海外。
I want to send this overseas.
I want to send this overseas.
I want to send this locally.
I want to send this locally.
我想把这个寄到本地。
I want to send this locally.
I want to send this locally.
Do you have an envelope?
Do you have an envelope?
你有信封吗？
Do you have an envelope?
Do you have an envelope?
Do you have a box?
Do you have a box?
你有盒子吗？
Do you have a box?
Do you have a box?
Where can I buy stamps?
Where can I buy stamps?
我在哪里可以买邮票？
Where can I buy stamps?
Where can I buy stamps?
How much is one stamp?
How much is one stamp?
一张邮票多少钱？
How much is one stamp?
How much is one stamp?
I need 5 stamps.
I need 5 stamps.
我需要5张邮票。
I need 5 stamps.
I need 5 stamps.
Please weigh this letter.
Please weigh this letter.
请称一下这封信。
Please weigh this letter.
Please weigh this letter.
Please weigh this package.
Please weigh this package.
请称一下这个包裹。
Please weigh this package.
Please weigh this package.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
这个多少钱？
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Is there express delivery?
Is there express delivery?
有快递服务吗？
Is there express delivery?
Is there express delivery?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
需要多长时间？
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
Can I track the package?
Can I track the package?
我可以追踪包裹吗？
Can I track the package?
Can I track the package?
What is the tracking number?
What is the tracking number?
追踪号码是多少？
What is the tracking number?
What is the tracking number?
Please write your address here.
Please write your address here.
请在这里写下你的地址。
Please write your address here.
Please write your address here.
Please write the sender's name.
Please write the sender's name.
请写下寄件人的名字。
Please write the sender's name.
Please write the sender's name.
Please write the receiver's name.
Please write the receiver's name.
请写下收件人的名字。
Please write the receiver's name.
Please write the receiver's name.
Please sign here.
Please sign here.
请在这里签名。
Please sign here.
Please sign here.
Please seal the envelope.
Please seal the envelope.
请封好信封。
Please seal the envelope.
Please seal the envelope.
Do you sell tape?
Do you sell tape?
你们卖胶带吗？
Do you sell tape?
Do you sell tape?
Do you sell packing paper?
Do you sell packing paper?
你们卖包装纸吗？
Do you sell packing paper?
Do you sell packing paper?
Do you sell postcards?
Do you sell postcards?
你们卖明信片吗？
Do you sell postcards?
Do you sell postcards?
Can I buy a money order?
Can I buy a money order?
我可以买汇票吗？
Can I buy a money order?
Can I buy a money order?
Can I pay the bill here?
Can I pay the bill here?
我可以在这里付账单吗？
Can I pay the bill here?
Can I pay the bill here?
The line is very long.
The line is very long.
队伍很长。
The line is very long.
The line is very long.
Please wait for your number.
Please wait for your number.
请等待你的号码。
Please wait for your number.
Please wait for your number.
The service is very fast.
The service is very fast.
服务很快。
The service is very fast.
The service is very fast.
The staff is very friendly.
The staff is very friendly.
工作人员很友好。
The staff is very friendly.
The staff is very friendly.
I lost my package.
I lost my package.
我丢失了我的包裹。
I lost my package.
I lost my package.
Can you check for me?
Can you check for me?
你可以帮我查一下吗？
Can you check for me?
Can you check for me?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
I will come back tomorrow.
I will come back tomorrow.
我明天会再来。
I will come back tomorrow.
I will come back tomorrow.
See you next time.
See you next time.
下次见。
See you next time.
See you next time.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
祝你今天愉快。
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。